Jake's motovlog. Did you have fun last night?
I did nothing. I just played video games, that was it.
You must have played the shit out of some video games. You look like an asshole. He looks like shit, man. So we're on a mission to find some electronic stuff. How much is it to ride this thing around? Like
$? Well, we were $2 for 6 of us.
Six of us last night? Yeah.
Divide that by 6.
Basically, this thing just drives around.
It's basically fucking free. That's what I'm saying.
It's basically free. Just like a truck. We're in the back of it. It's got like seats and stuff. You can see off the side here of it. And what this does, this guy just drives around in a loop, and you pay like some pennies to drive it around. And you hit a little buzzer when you want to get off. So like, yeah, like he said, it's basically free. That's why nobody's walking. Like, I'm like, what?
Nobody walks.
Like, yeah, we were going. We every time we walk, these fucking guys come to start honking because they're like, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's like, well, walking. They're like, yeah, get in. What are we doing today, guys?
Quad bikes, man. I like quad bikes.
Treetop walk.
Yeah, we're fucking ziplining, going up into a tree.
Miggs is scared shitless of heights.
Kung Fu shoes.
Terrified.
You kick my ass with them?
Just Kung Fu music.
So this place is really a good setup, though, isn't it? They give us everything, like the good gloves. Like you take a shower when you come back here.
They give you shoes.
Yeah.
Because you know you want your shoes to get dirty.
We come in here at the end of the day when we're wearing our motocross boots. They take them off for you. They basically like de-gear you and tell you to go take a shower. So
They even wash your own clothes.
they do, yeah.
We'll give you your own clothes back tomorrow. I should bring all my laundry.
Yeah,
That's what I'll do.
I wore most of my own gear, and I'm talking socks, gloves, shirt, the skull cap. They didn't lose a damn bit of it. I mean, it's all laid out. It's amazing how they do it here.
Yeah, it's all in the back up there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. I mean, I figured they'd lose something, or I'd have to go looking for it. It's like, no, she remembered. That's yours. That's yours. That's yours. That's yours. And it's clean and dry, and I don't even get that. I don't even do that to my own gear at home. I wait like a week before I wash anything.
Have a look at that shoe selection. Here you go, Jake. Here's some for you, huh? Gloves. There's some glasses, helmets.
I didn't get your crash.
We got it.
I turned my camera on while you were lying on the floor. I was absolutely fucking gutted.
Oh, we've got lots of good footage of it.
Yeah,
you'll see.
Good.
You've got Jake, and then I'm right behind him. We saw.
Oh, you've got the whole crash.
We got everything.
Buggies. There's our quads for the day.
This is our touristy day. We're going to ride ATVs. This is also a service that Enduro Madness provides, is quads for tourists that want to get out on the ATVs and don't know how to ride bikes. So we're going to get a little taste of that right now. We're going to try to soak in Thailand and document as much as of the temples and culture as we can and things like that. So here we go. That guy's amazing, by the way. You know, Asian culture just makes so much sense to me, the way they do things. I mean, why do we need a separate shower? Bathrooms are an entire wet area. You're taking a shower right next to the toilet. We all had to convert all of our American devices to... We had to actually cut the ground wires off everything because they don't have ground wires here. And we had to get voltage converters because everything's 240 volts here. And so just to pull this off, just to have all the equipment that we have and get it charged every night and make all our devices work over here was a feat in itself to get done. Here it is. I'll let you have that one, buddy. You ran me off the road. Monkeys! Monkeys!
see all this stuff behind me? I'm doing this like a YouTube douchebag vlogger. So this is some pretty wild stuff they took us to. It's the, I don't even know what it is. It's Asia stuff, that's what M13 told me. So, the big old building, tower, temple, synagogue, I don't know, whatever the hell you call it. And this is the sexiest man alive with the sexiest beard alive. Miggs. I don't even know if we're allowed inside these things, but if we would, if we could, it'd be neat to see it.
That's interesting. You don't know the culture, so you don't want to step on any toes.
I know, dude. I really
like. You don't want to be that American.
Wow, it is. It's completely petrified. These are petrified. Oh, RHOK.
RHOK.
This is Lu Bu. He's one of the most famous warriors in China's history, and some theologians, historians, guess that he might have been Russian because he was so badass that they think he just killed people like nothing, and they think he was actually like some 6'4" Russian guy.
Chris, take your shoes off. Glad my knee's feeling better today. It's actually good work for it. This makes it, this is good for it. Yeah, because it's just, I need to stretch it. Caesar! What's up, bro? There's gals.
Actually a professional. That's just what I gathered.
Yeah. Ooh. I guess I can walk through here. I don't know if I'm supposed to. I'm skinny enough, so I guess I will. Can I see that?
I feel like I'm riding a Harley. I feel like these things could be so much more capable than they are, but they're not. There's the monkeys.
Centimeters.
I go line up somewhere.
You got me on video.
My friend.
Gearing up, Nerb. Getting nervous.
Yeah, no.
Goes in the center of your back. So
Zip lining.
put this on.
Extreme. You're all for the adventure, aren't you, Nerb?
I am. I love adventure.
Loves the adventure. Like the gloves, Jake?
I feel like I should just be like...
Just cruising. That's cool shit. You look nervous, Mitch. The heights? Is it,
You know my fucking life, alright? Really big on
Did you sign the book?
heights of any kind.
You'll survive, mate.
Shit in the world if you don't go.
Yeah, well,
We're gonna be really mean to you.
we'll see.
Yeah. You can do it, bro.
Don't give him, no, you give him negative.
Negative reinforcement. Don't do it or I'll beat the shit out of you.
Pumps, FireGuy, zip lining. Ever done it before?
No.
Every day?
No, but I've climbed fire truck ladders, so no big deal.
Easy.
Well, I'm actually gonna fall soon.
Whoa! I'm coming, Caesar. I'm coming for you.
Be careful! Be careful, leg,
We are one by one.
More death. Just always safety first.
Jake!
Hey, Nerb.
You wait until I go because there's too many people
Am I
right
even
here.
connected?
Yeah, we're gonna collapse the tree, dude.
Connected.
No, tree's got plenty of go.
M13's scaring the shit out of the guide.
Where's it hit that tree?
Do I just get in and it starts moving?
So.
Or?
As soon as you're in, it's gone.
Alright. I want to go to main deck. Boat spec. Yeah. Some good rowing.
Now what do I do?
Just jump.
You didn't tell me that it doesn't make it to the end.
No.
Oh, let mom no hands. Oh, that's scary.
Look up, Nerb.
Holy shit. Yeah. Hey, Nerb. Hey. Nerb rocking it out. Hey.
Jake, failure.
I was holding on to the wood on top. I didn't hold on to the rope.
No, the rope's easier. Oh, maybe not. You cheated. More or less.
How you feeling, Miggs?
Fucking awesome, man. Holy shit. There you go, here it comes. You're a fucking champion. Miggs is a champion.
Hi, bye, Tom.
Oh god. Holy cramoly buckles! Jeez. Woo!
Hey Jake, check out the
Alright,
motorcycle.
Jake the Garden Snake is just eating ants in Thailand.
Fuck! High five!
FireGuy is just shirt off, powering through. Damn. How's Jake going? Jake?
Pour that water into my mouth.
do it, FireGuy. Oh, that is the most sexual thing I've ever seen.
I can't waste too much.
Tree shenanigans like 8 stories up. The Texas boys. I thought it's hot in Texas. You got your shirts off and shit.
We sweat like this is why we don't go outside on days like this.
This is why I'm always fucking naked, dude.
That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. No! I'm stuck here forever.
No shirt on, no shame. It's hot as shit.
Said 5:30.
All right, boys, zip lining.
Video's on.
How
Suck
was
it?
it?
Suck it in, Jake. Suck it in.
Gave everyone a workout. They're bloody good fun. Yeah?
That would be good for the trailer, man. Like that, just that. Him sitting there playing with his nipples just in the trailer.
All right, a little cultural knowledge here. 30 baht is $1 US. This lovely hamburger right here that M13 is about to demolish. Look at him, look at it. Look at him. He's hungry. 90 baht. That's $3 for this hamburger. That's how cheap food is in this country. What are you bitching? Jake, how's your leg after the digger you took?
Alright. Hold on. Thank you.
Woo! I'm filming you, filming me?
Oh, you filming me? YouTube is blood, dog.
Yeah, YouTube up in this biatch.
I feel like a penis penetrating something.
The audience is like 80% Chinese. Hanhao, 谢谢.
No, he's getting this.
Nina?
My hands all over the place. Stop laughing.
Nitrous. They run nitrous on scooters.
Oh shit.
Yeah, in Taiwan, sure.
Oh yeah. That's badass. That's cool. Now if I lived here, give me a scooter, I'd probably keep it up.
My first scooter in Taiwan. I bought it for $2,500, and within a year I spent another $2,500 in picking it up.
Keeping it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. We get these rims, anodized, old anodized rims, or an anodized rim.
Some of the scooters on my tour that I rent to my guests, they're worth 10 grand. They're $2,500 scooters with $7,500 worth of usable mods. Talking Olin's, Brembo.
On the beach in Thailand, It doesn't get any better than this, guys.
Just like the movie.
You were earlier today talking about how you have a fetish for short chicks because you want to throw them up into the roof. What do you want to do to short girls?
Really short girls, when they're just slutty and like they're borderline midget, I want to grab them by under their belt and hurl them into the ceiling as hard as I can.
It came out of nowhere.
I don't know why. I know it's fucked, but I just want to.
God, you guys are assholes, aren't you? Little, yeah.